How to fix boomerang on the Instagram. Ever tried to make a cool boomerang on Instagram only to have it not work properly? Maybe it won't load, keeps crashing, or just looks glitchy. Don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So let's get started. The number one step is to check for the app updates. For that, open the App Store just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and type Instagram and search for it. Then open the Instagram app, and if there is the update version right here, instead of the open, simply update it. Before anything else, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Sometimes bugs are fixed in the latest updates, so this might solve your problem right away. The next step is to clear the cache. For that, go to Settings, just like this. Then find the General right here. Tap on it. Then tap on to iPhone storage. Then scroll down and open the Instagram app, which is right here. Open it. Now to clear the Instagram app, tap on to Offload app right here. By offloading the app, the cache of the Instagram will be cleared. The next step is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need. For that, hold down the power button, just right here. Then keep on tapping on it. Then here you can find the restart option right here. Now tap on it and simply restart your phone. And the final step is to reinstall the Instagram. For that, remove the Instagram. Keep on tapping on the app just like this. And tap on to remove app right here, and after removing it, simply reinstall it. And that's it. These simple fixes should help you get Boomerang working again on the Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.